Namaskar, you all are welcome to yet another vlog. So those who are viewing for the first time, this is Sidental Vlogs and I make videos on dentistry. So today's topic is, at this present moment, shall we take admission into BDS? So I have made other videos as well covering various aspects of BDS. So is it really worth it? Who should take admission into BDS? What is the expense? So these all things we are going to discuss here. So first of all, before starting this video, I would like to tell you that I am not encouraging or discouraging any student, but I am going to tell the real facts of BDS and associated advantages and disadvantages. So before admission into BDS, mostly many people, they have not got into MBBS, so they want another allopathic option, which is BDS, and which is a good field in my view, okay, because many people are spreading negativity about BDS and there are few facts also which are correct. So I will tell you what is the real fact which is going on into BDS. So let us categorize this course and aspirants, medical aspirants, into two categories. So first of all, the government category students. So government category students, like, you have to study hard for your NEET exam and you may clear MBBS, or you may not clear MBBS, but you are getting a BDS government seat. So if you ask me, shall I go for a BDS government seat? Please go for it, because in government colleges they are very strict and they teach the students very well, plus the number of patients in a government college is very high. Now if you tell me ki, sir, after getting into doing BDS from a government college, will I get a government job? So if you ask me this question, so I will tell you, no, initially you won't get, because the amount of government job which the government is taking out is very less, like it's very less as compared to MBBS. So expecting that I will get a government job just after passing my BDS is a wrong notion. Many people will cheat you, many people will try to tell you, different agents, कि आप कर लीजिए, आपको government job मिल जाएगी, आपको on-site campusing हो जाएगी. So that is totally a misnomer. Now second category of students will tell who have got private BDS and they are having good amount of money to do the BDS. So now the present BDS fees in approximately all colleges varies from 3 lakh to 7 lakh rupees. कोई भी आप कॉलेज में चले जाएंगे तो 3 लाख किसी की फीस है, किसी की 5.5 है, किसी की 6-7 lakhs है. तो इतना वेरी करता है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन इट्स ए ग्रेड कॉलेज और बी ग्रेड कॉलेज. सो दैट, अब ये ए ग्रेड बी ग्रेड, आप फिर कंफ्यूज मत होइए. ए ग्रेड कॉलेज मतलब थोड़ा नाम जिसका ज्यादा है, जिसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ज्यादा है, तो दीज आर ए ग्रेड कॉलेजेस. बी ग्रेड कॉलेजेस में जिसमें इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा कम है, वो आप रैंकिंग देख सकते हैं, NIRF रैंकिंग, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. तो डिपेंड करता है कि अगर आपको कॉलेज अच्छा चूज करना है, सो यू हैव टू गो टू द पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज, आस्क द स्टूडेंट्स, टॉक विद द टीचर्स, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू नो हाउ गुड द कॉलेज इज. दैट इज द थिंग. नाउ the second category was there, like BDS students who have got admission into BDS and they are from good family background, like पैसा ज्यादा है उनके पास, then you can go for BDS. अगर आपकी फादर मदर की मंथली इनकम अच्छी है and आप इजीली पे कर सकते हो without taking a loan, आप 3 lakh to 5 lakhs per annum पे कर सकते हो, then you take the BDS, no problem. But for those people whose father is the only source of income and they are normal working people, like they are clerks somewhere or they are working in banks or normal teachers, जिनकी सैलरी उतनी ज्यादा नहीं है, and suppose you are taking admission into BDS and already you are putting a lot of burden on them and it's very difficult to pay the fees for them, so you have to take a loan. Okay, आपने लोन ले लिया, उसके बाद आप जब पास आउट हो गए, then at that time you won't get a job easily. So what you have to do, you have to open a clinic. In order to open a clinic, you need to invest another 7 to 8 lakh rupees minimum in order to open a clinic, and that doesn't give a surety कि वो clinic आपको चलेगा कि नहीं within 2 years. So it's a lot of struggle amount of time. You see the amount of time which you are in struggle. Suppose you are in 2000, suppose this is 2021, right? You got admission in 2022. So 2022 से लेके 2029 जब तक 28 या 27 जब भी आप BDS करें, तो ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड यू आर इन स्ट्रेस, कॉलेज स्ट्रेस, एग्जामिनेशन स्ट्रेस, paying the fees stress, your parents are also in stress. After that, opening a clinic, uska stress, फिर अपना लोन को चुकाओगे उसका स्ट्रेस. सो इफ यू आर नॉट from a good family background, you try to avoid this course because the dental expenses are huge. Dental chair, I'm not trying to discourage students, but this is the real fact. I have already told the fact कि अगर आपको government मिल रहा है तो well and good, because government college fees is very less. It's less than a 50,000 rupees, 30,000, जो कि आप easily your parents or you can also give by from the stipend, or you can take a student loan. But for those students who are from a poor socio-economic status or a little bit lower middle class, don't take admission because see, कमाते कमाते आपको 10 साल 12 साल लग जाएंगे. The amount of time you will spend, the effort you will give, that is not gonna bear you immediate fruits. Like it has to be like आप 35 years 38 years के बाद ही इनकम कर पाएंगे. तो इतने लंबे समय तक आपको क्रॉनिक, जो आप इतने लंबे टाइम तक आप जो पढ़ाई करें, जो भी आप मेहनत करें, अगर उसका फ्रूट नहीं मिल रहा है, और कोई गारंटी भी नहीं कि आपको फ्रूट मिलेगा कि मिलेगा. देयर इज नो गारंटी दैट योर क्लिनिक विल रन प्रॉपर्ली. अगर आपका क्लिनिक इज रनिंग नाइसली, यू कैन इजिली अर्न 2 to 3 लाख रुपीज अ मंथ, उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकता है. बट फॉर दोज, अब आउट ऑफ 100 people batch, only 10 to 15 clinics are running nicely. Remaining other 65 to 70 clinics, even if they know work, they won't be running, like they won't be able to run the clinic nicely. It's the statistics, common statistics in the entire field of dentistry if you ask your friends, your family. And there are so many dentists, so many dental clinics in and around your area, you know itself. This course has itself become a huge competition, and this course demands a lot of money, this course demands a lot of infrastructure, this course demands a lot of money to put in. अब जैसे मैं क्लिनिक बना रहे हो तो उसमें आपको इंटीरियर अच्छे से बनाना पड़ेगा, तभी पेशेंट आएंगे. तो हमेशा ये याद रखना कि यू शुड नॉट बर्डन योर पेरेंट्स. इफ यू आर हैविंग मनी, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो रही बात, नाउ इन द एंटायर मार्केट, नाउ एमडीएस पीपल आर ऑल्सो देयर, सो यू हैव टू कम्पीट विद देम एज वेल. सो दिस इज द रियलिटी ऑफ डेंटिस्ट्री कि इवन आफ्टर डूइंग एमडीएस पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग जॉब्स. सो हाउ कम बीडीएस विल गेट जॉब just after passing the BDS? Even dental clinics are keeping people like what you have to do is like you have to join some course in order to learn some work. So people are going to different places to learn different kind of works. Like suppose somebody wants to learn implants, so he has to pay 2 lakhs and then he will learn implant. If you want to do root canal course, then you have to pay another 35-40,000. You have to keep shelling bucks all the time, and that's very difficult for a normal parent to nurture your demands. So this is the real truth fact of dentistry. So these are the two basic categories. If you are having government college, no problem, take BDS. If you are having good money at your family is good, no problem, business family, take BDS, do MDS, open a clinic. If you are from poor economic background, just take another course, or you should take a course and you will get a job very easily. There are many courses like BSc Nautical, so many are there. I always suggest students कि don't burden your parents, and ऐसा नहीं कि आप BDS नहीं करोगे तो आप कमा नहीं पाओगे. ऐसे बहुत सारे तरीके हैं जिससे आप कमा सकते हो. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do follow me, Sai_dental. If you have any doubts, please do ask me, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Take care, have a good day.